Hello my friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you a really cool garden project. This is going to help you to get growing effectively outdoors so that you can get a jump start on the growing season, even if you got cold weather still coming into the area. Spring is upon us. We're just a couple days away now. And at this point, you definitely want to get growing. If you haven't started seeds already, it's a great time to do that. If you got some cuttings that you want to get growing, it's also a great time to do that. What you see here is just a basic Rubbermaid container. You can use any container or vessel for this little project, but I'm going to show you how to make a plant propagation station outdoor greenhouse practically for free. Hopefully you have most of these materials at home already, so you don't have to purchase anything to build one of these. But if you do, these are commonly found items that you can find very cheap. So the first item you're going to need is a storage container, and I recommend getting a 30-gallon storage container. This is the perfect size for a project like this. Now most of us have something like this on hand. You can empty it out, use it temporarily, and then when you're done, fill it back up with whatever was in there and you're good to go. Now the next item you're going to need is a seedling heat mat. I recommend getting the 10 by 20.75 inch. Doesn't matter the brand, and that's going to go right at the bottom just like that. So the next step is going to be to place some sort of a tray over the top of the heat mat. You can use multiple trays, plates, what have you. But the goal here is to really separate our soil medium or our little potted plants from the heat mat, as we're going to be adding some water in here. Now these heat mats are waterproof, but you don't want to submerge them in water. So I'm going to be using this aluminum turkey pan. You can find these at the dollar store, or you can reuse them. Now at this point you can place your soil medium in your tray, plant your seeds, water it in, and cover the top with some sort of a transparent cover. It could be a piece of glass, it can be some stretch plastic, it can be a plastic garbage bag. As long as it's transparent and you can get it to fit tightly around the top, now you've effectively got yourself a greenhouse, a heated greenhouse at that, and something that you can move around easily. If you want it in part shade, or if you want to put it more out into the sun, you can do that. You can move it around throughout the day. But this is going to get you growing, and growing quickly and effectively. And these heat mats, you can plug it into a timer and just have it come on at the coldest time during the night for a couple hours or so. So it really depends on your particular situation. So with that, I hope this project helps you guys to get growing. And as always, I want to offer you some encouragement. If you can get out and get at least one thing done in the garden every day right now leading up into the growing season, you'll be happy you did. Spring is right around the corner. But if you can't get out, maybe the weather's not the best today, if you can do something in preparation for the garden, sketching out some designs, placing a seed order, getting some trees or some shrubs on order, heading out to your local nursery, anything you can do right now is going to pay off in a big way in a short amount of time. And so with that, I want to thank you all for watching. Have yourself a great rest of the day. Until next time, this is Dan from plantabundance.com. Take care. I'll be talking to you again soon.